Hey guys, Fordman here. Today I want to make a taste test video and a mail call video all in one video. And also I want to give you an update on putting that seat on that W4BS walker. That seat is a W4S. But I want to let you all know that I was actually able to get a hold of the guy that works at that Ballad Health medical equipment place that I was telling you about. That only he's the one that knows about these type of walkers and works on them and things. And the reason why I wasn't able to get a hold of him last week was because he was on vacation. And they for some reason didn't let us know, but no worries. I have no complaints. I'm very thankful that I now have a fully assembled walker now. Now I will say that it did take him at least a half hour, maybe a little bit longer, to put that seat on, to assemble that seat. But and I also want to thank Blaine from Really Creative Travel for sending me this pair of Ford suspenders. I really like them. They're very well designed. I really enjoy them, and you will probably see me wear them sometime this week. And thanks again.
Probably Friday night.
And thanks again for everything you all have done for me. And so if you're not connected with Blaine, if you're not connected with Really Creative Travel, I highly recommend checking out his channel, because he does RVing, he does adventure videos, live streaming. As a matter of fact, he's probably going to go live streaming tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time at a different location from where he normally live streams. So be on the lookout for that. And tell him I sent you. But thanks again for these suspenders. Now on with the taste test. I'm going to taste test a beef and cheddar roast beef sandwich. The reason why I know this is not really low carb food, but we had been out all day, and we were wanting to get something quick. Dad wasn't really in the mood for cooking tonight, so, and anyway, and so and like I said, we don't eat out that often anyhow.
Not anymore.
Not anymore. We and so I'm gonna put my Tabasco hot sauce on here. they got a good deal. Arby's has a good deal on these roast beef and cheddar sandwiches. You can get 2 of them for $6. And no. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is definitely 10, guys. I'm also going to do a taste test. Probably should have already had it made, but I'm going to do a taste test on this well, if I can get it open without spilling it, that is. I got a, what was it, a crispy chicken?
Crispy chicken salad.
I got a crispy chicken salad, and I'm going to put my Italian dressing I got. Hang on a minute, guys. Here's the fork and napkins if I need them, and this is light Italian dressing. It's called Marzetti Italian dressing. And ooh, sorry about that, guys. And it's also gluten free. Good stuff, guys. And I'm also going to put my Tabasco sauce on it as well. Tabasco.
Go right now.
But, anyway, guys, here's what the salad looks like after I did all that. And So now, on with the if I can get the guys, on a scale of 1 to 10, guys, this is definitely a 10, guys. So, anyway, guys, and I'm gonna get off here. Enjoy the rest of my dinner, and I will see you guys in the next video. And thanks again for the suspenders, Railway Creative Travel. And also, I want to let everyone know, thanks to everyone who had donated to help me get the new walker. It's very much and gratefully appreciated. And I look forward to meeting every one of you in person one day. And so I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.